Good morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again on another set of problems here in engineering mathematics, plane trigonometry, no? So I believe it is problem number 7 now, no? So anim ng example yung nasa-solve natin for use. Yan. If you have any question, guys, just comment on the comment box, no? If you have recommendation or questions about the problem solved, kindly ask questions. So, let's continue. Let's solve this problem number 7. Lumabas daw no C November 1993. Guys, luma man itong, hindi naman siya sa luma, no? I mean, lumabas siya nung mga dati pang board exam. But, these topics are, ito pa rin yung mga madalas na natatakel. Hindi natin kasi, broad kasi ang MSTE, no? MSTC na pala kayo, Mathematics, Surveying, Transportation, and Construction Engineering. Masyadong broad yung topic. But, ang goal natin is may isa-isa natin kung paano nga ba, kung ano ba yung mga madalas or kadalasang problem na lumalabas for you to ace the board exam. So tara, let's solve this next problem. If sine 3a is equal to cosine 6b, then so parang hinahanap dito, let's simplify the sine 3a is equal to cosine 6b and let's see kung saan ba siya equal dito. Sige. Kahapon, na ano natin na ang tangent 90 minus x is cotangent x para di na kayo mag-expand. And then sin 90 minus x is cosine x, no? So dito meron din dito, no? Note that idagdag na natin, tandaan niyo na to, na ang sin theta is just equal to cosine 90 minus theta. As indicated, katulad din sa example natin yesterday, yan, no, sin 90 minus x is equal to cosine x. Pero pwede mo naman siya expand to prove na pareho yon. Pwede mo siya expand using the identity, sum and difference of two angles. Okay? Sige. Kung ganyan daw, sin theta is equal to cosine 90 minus theta, ibig sabihin, dito sa given na sin of 3a is equal to cosine 6b, yung sin 3a na to ay pwedeng maging cosine 90 minus 3a is equal to cosine 6b. Then, in-note na rin natin, tandaan nyo na to, na para sa inequality, trigonometric equality, no? Cosine x is just equal to, if cosine x is equal to cosine 1, bali ang x is equal to y. So, magiging, to simplify, kung gagamitin natin tong theorem na to, 90 minus 3a is just equal to 6b. So, pagtabihin lang natin, magiging 3a plus 6b is equal to 90. Tapos, pwede pa natin i-simplify yan. Pwede natin i-divide all sides by 3. So, magiging a plus 2b is equal to 30 degree. So, I think simplified form na siya. Hanapin lang natin siya sa choices. So, meron siya sa choices. Letter B. A plus 2b is equal to 30 degrees. Okay? So, yan ang final answer natin. Tandaan nyo na to, guys. Pero pwede naman kayong gumamit ng identities kung gusto nyo. Or, pwede pa another solution ulit. We can assign values again. Or, assign values of A and B. Yung tinuro ko sa inyo na nakaraan, gamitin yung choices. O kunwari, dito sa ano, let's say na ang A is 5. Ang B is, let's say, 5 din. O di hanapin mo sa value ng sine 3 times 5, so sine 15 is equal to cosine 6 times 15. Is times 5, so cosine 6 times 5, 30. Tapos, kapag lumabas yung ano, yun na yun. Then, substitute mo dito kung tama ba yung values na ginawa mo. Okay? Just assign values of A and B. Okay? Pwede mong gawin yan. You can try this at your home kung anong trip nyo. Okay? Sige. Next. Solve for x from the given trigonometric equation. Arctan 1 minus x plus 1 arctan 1 plus x equal to arctan 1 over 8. Sige. Guys, dito sa problem na to, pwede na natin hindi solve eh. You can just use trial and error, isa-isahin nyo tong values, malalaman nyo na yung sagot, malalaman nyo na yung value ng x. Pero, for the sake of sige, try pa rin natin i-solve using the long method. Excuse me. So, paano ba natin sinosolve to? Sige. Ang pwede natin gawin dito, we can let A is equal to, since mahaba masyado equation, mag-substitute na lang tayo ng, parang mag-substitution tayo. Arctan 1 minus x. Yan. Mag-let variables muna tayo kasi parang masyado complicated yung equation. Parang haba. Okay? Yan. Okay? Kapag inilet natin yan, para mawala yung arctan, kapag kinuha natin tangent of both sides, magiging tangent A is just equal to 1 minus x. Tangent B is equal to 1 plus x. Then tangent C, 1 over 8. So, para tinanggal natin si arctan, no? Yan. Tapos dun sa original natin, 'di ba sabi natin A plus B is equal to C. Bakit nag A plus B plus is equal to C? 'Di ba dito sa nilet natin, ginawa lang natin siyang ganito para pag nag-substitute tayo. Tapos kunin mo yung tangent of both sides. Then expand. Expand mo to using the sum and difference. Paano ba yun? 'Di ba tangent A plus tangent B all over 1 minus tangent A tangent B is equal to tangent C. Kaso, ito, malalaman mo ni tangent A kasi nagamit mo na siya ito. Itong tatlo. So, palit mo na ngayon. Pag pinalit mo, dito na lang para may space tayo. Tangent is 1 minus x plus tangent B is 1 plus x all over 1 minus tangent A is 1 minus x 1 plus x is equal to 1 over 8. So, dyan pala makakuha ka na ng kahit hindi mo na siya expand eh. Pwede ka na mag-calculator dito eh. Shift solve na lang. Makakuha ka dyan ng value ng x. Hindi ko na-expand guys ha. You can just use your calculator. Sumawa. Nasaan yan? You can just shift solve. Use shift solve. Okay? 1 minus x plus 1 plus x all over 1 minus x 1 plus x is equal to 1 over 8. X is equal to negative 4, x is equal to 4, disregard the negative sign, o plus and negative 4. Yan ang sagot natin. So, x natin, just use the positive value, makakuha tayo. 4 is the correct answer. So, ganyan lang siya sinusolve, guys. Kung baga, lalaruin mo lang kung paano ba natin gagawin yan. So, ang ginawa natin, nag-substitute muna tayo, ginawa nating variables a, b, and c itong parts ng equation, then take the tangent of both sides. Kunin mo yung tangent to lahat ng values para mawala si arctan. And then, nung nag-substitute tayo, ginawa natin ganire. Then, take the tangent of both sides para pag napalabas natin to, substitute mo na itong mga value na to hanggang sa nag-come up tayo dito. Okay? So, ganun lang siya, guys. So, meron pa tayong couple of problems. So, last two problems sa angles, identities, and equations. Then, after nito, punta na tayo sa solutions of triangles, no? Right and oblique triangle. And then, yun. This would end our course in trigonometry. Ang payo ko lang sa trigo, guys, just master the basic, yung SOHCAHTOA, the right triangle, Pythagorean theorem, and siguro unit circle, aralin niyo unit circle. And then siguro mga basic identities lang, or substitute, since board exam naman ito, may choices, gamitin niyo yung choices, katulad nito, pwede mo na siya, hindi ka na dumaan sa series na pag-solve na ganito, isa-isahin mo lang itong values na to, kung ano yung come up dito sa arctan 1 over 8, yun na yung sagot. Okay? So, yeah, for more engineering topics, tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, ayan, happy learning. Let's keep learning, guys. Comment na rin kayo kung may recommendation kayo o questions. So, yeah, padayon, engineers.